Hi friends, good evening. First of all, Pranam to market for respecting my 6.2% fall in May month, and it exactly came and touched that number 16,039, and from there it went up by another 40 points also, and again it closed above. See, these are all already known. If you go and observe the past, that is clearly visible. Actually, it was 6.17%. Then I said 6.2% to round it off, and it came and touched that 6.2%. And this is already happened, and history repeats itself. And that is what happened in May month. It means, every May month it's going to be like this. No, it's not like that. You need to analyze so many things and come to conclusion saying that this month, this percentage will happen. Okay, so this is number one. And number two, this video is a little bit big. If you want to watch fully, you watch. Otherwise, if you want to skip and watch, it's up to you. But this is very, very interesting to watch. Watch this. See, on 4th April to 8th April, I made a video. On 5th April, Nifty made the top, right? And here it is, the video is here. And I clearly mentioned, will Nifty give a genuine buy tomorrow?
4th March,
okay, and the anticipation was clearly given, one day before that in the weekly forecast year, and it gave a genuine buy. It gave a buy, and I clearly made a video based on fortune signals. Will it become genuine or not? That was the question. Okay, will it become genuine or not? That was the question. So now watch this. So it gave a buy, and my anticipation was very clear on the weekly video saying that if this buy is not become genuine, then this will fall. And exactly after this buy candle, the next candle is not closed above this candle, and you have seen a full fall. And this is what the anticipation which we clearly mentioned on 5th April. You can go and check that video. Okay, and the topic itself is, will it give a genuine buy or not? What is genuine? If this candle would have closed above this candle, then it becomes genuine. Otherwise, it's a fake and it's a trap. And clearly mentioned, this is a trap. This is a trap. Okay, now what happens today? Now it gave a sell today. So again, even though it is in sell, according to me, this green color is a fake sell, fake buy. So for me, it is a sell only. Today, since it is because of Ichimoku predominant day for Nifty and Bank Nifty, if this low is held, because the sell has come, because the sell initiation has come, okay, if it holds today's low, possibility of temporary rally on the upside. So watch it very carefully, because this system will able to catch where the people go mad. That's how I've designed the system. So this works in 1 minute, 5 minutes, everything. I will show you in all the time frame. But this is what we clearly, given a caution on 5th February, 5th April. You can go and watch that video, and the video is already available. Okay. So now tomorrow, in case if it sustains from tomorrow, whenever it breaks and closes below this level, then it becomes more genuine, because already it is in sell only. Already it is in sell. It is a fake buy, so it is a sell again. If it closes below again, it doesn't want to close below this level, 8th March. No, if it closes below this level itself, more pain will come. And today, as I already told that, this is not the time for bottom fishing. People have started writing their shopping list. And today, all small caps, if you buy one, 10 free. That is what happened today. Most of the small caps were bleeding, literally. And let's see, let the bulls pray that it should hold this yesterday's low, which was a Ichimoku date, as well as my system gave a sell. So if it holds today's low, which is 11th May low, possibility of U-turn. If it closes below this low, not only yesterday, tomorrow, any day from here, next level which I'm seeing is 13,200 level. Let's watch. 14,913 is pending. Let's watch what is happening there. Okay, so now let's go to the same thing. Let's go to the same thing in 5 minutes. So the same thing here, it gave a buy. It gave a buy in 5 minutes, but it has not become a genuine buy. Why? Because the next candle is not closed above this buy initiation candle. So it is fake buy in Nifty. Nifty is not out of the woods till now, but Bank Nifty, yes, it gave a buy and it became genuine because this candle, not this candle, this candle closed above this. So we covered our shorts and we went long only in Bank Nifty. And Nifty, we closed all our shorts today. So we don't have any position. And if you see in 5 minutes, in Nifty, we are able to capture from 16,225 to all the way, because I've already given clear instruction in yesterday's video how we captured this in 5 minutes. And today we closed, even though it is not genuine, we closed the position because Bank Nifty has given a buy signal on 5 minutes. And now it has not yet to give buy signal in 15 minutes, both Bank Nifty as well as Nifty, right? So again, it has to give buy in 15 minutes, then it has to go and give buy signal in 1 hour. Once it becomes a buy signal in 1 hour, then we will accept, okay, bottom is done. See, if you see here, the sell came here at 16,732 in 1 hour. Until now, there is no buy. And in case of Nifty, it has given a sell at 17,520. This is 1 hour. So you will get signal only twice in a month. You will get signal only twice in a month in Nifty. For example, this is Nifty. The buy came here on 10th March. And from there is no sell till 12th April. And from 12th April, there is no buy. So it gave only 2 signals in 3 months. That's how 1 hour works, because this is a pure trending system. And it identify where the trap happens, including in 1 minute also. In 1 minute also. Maybe. Yeah, Bank Nifty, this was a genuine buy. Nifty, it was a genuine buy, and then again it came down today. But normally it exactly catches. And today with Nifty, we are able to make everything on the bottom side, and we made this also. And thanks to 907 number, literally rocked, our timing rocked. Anyway, I will go to that later. So now coming to next. Just a minute. Today it has given a sell in weekly after very long time. So again saying, if this week, because it's already initiated, the sell is initiated, we have two more days to go. In case if the sell authentics, when the sell comes, if the next week or whenever, if it closes below this week low and the sell is there, then I don't know, people has to run for cover in small cap. The possibility target is 8198 and 7668. Before that, people will, the stocks will bleed like anything. Stock will bleed like anything. So on a weekly, daily is already in sell. It's in clear sell, and in weekly it has given a sell today. So watch out for another 2 more days. If that holds, that this weekly candle holds, then possibility of reversal. Otherwise, more and more problem is going to come in small cap. Let's go to CNX, mid cap, whichever you take. I think more or less all same only. Okay, so now in weekly, mid cap is still sustaining, but if it breaks this low, not this low, this low, which is 21st February low, again it will be a problem. And in daily, it is already in sell. daily it's already in sell. So be very, very careful. This is not the time to do bottom fishing, and that is what I'm telling for a long time. Okay, so time will come, but not, this is not the time. Okay, so now I think I covered this thing. So let's go to our number game. So now, okay, so this was our PPT. Sorry, this was our game changer number 907 number morning. It gave a buy, stop loss triggered, and it came exactly touch this number 16,071. And this was the number which I mentioned the last 1 week in my PPT, that 16,071 will be the savior for Nifty. Otherwise, on a closing basis, otherwise it's a problem. But see how beautifully it came down, touched that number exactly. And from there, this was the timing candle, was respected, went up. Once it broke timing candle itself, it collapsed again. And now it gave some recovery in the closing, because the psychological number, which was 16,000, there was some recovery, but the credit goes to Bank Nifty, not to Nifty. So still Reliance is looking little ugly only. Let's see, because it has not given a buy in 5 minutes or in 15 minutes. So in our system, so still, Nifty is not out of the woods. So, but see how the market is respecting this number, 16,071 on the dot. And this is the number which I am writing for the last 1 week in my PPT. You can go and check that, in my PPT. So anyway, this how today it worked. So now I am closing this. There are a lot of things to go. Anyway, the Bank Nifty is looking little bit okay. So it is exactly closed at the yesterday's high. Break above, it's good, but the Ichimoku is on the top. So now it has to take out this, and maybe 35, 334 will be the major issue. Let's watch all that, tomorrow. I will simply go here, and which gives, and see this Nifty, came down, exactly went and touched that 16,205 number only. And this is the number which we are talking about for a very long time. Okay, anyway, expiry tomorrow, so they may try to close the expiry at 16,000 level, 200 level, all that I don't know. But this is the number which we are discussing for a long time. So now it has to cross and close above 16,240, unless and until it doesn't close above 16,411. Panic will be still there. So watch out for Nifty. 16,411 has to cross and close above. Bank Nifty is looking little bit okay. So now coming to our number. See, yesterday I was missed something, and I made the video also, but that candle should not be taken as 215 candle. That candle was this candle. Okay, so this is 9th May. I've already made the video and sent it to my followers also. So this is the candle. So now it is holding that candle on a closing basis. So break below this candle low, and this candle was designed by 1 hour candle magic, and this candle was given by the date which we have taken much before, and it gives like the it will be a on the dot ditto. Maybe this week I am going to do something on Dow Jones, S&P, and Nasdaq also. If you want to join in my Sunday's webinar, you can join and then take the notes. Okay, so these will be shared in Telegram, so you can take the notes of all these numbers, and then you can enjoy all these numbers. Okay, so now this is the number till it holds 16,143. Okay, so you can be happy, otherwise problem. At least it has to close above this number. But again, for me is 16,411 is my number, which I'm watching out very carefully. Let's watch. Still, we are able to identify all these tops and bottom very clearly. So now coming to Bank Nifty, yes, this was our today's number 34,145, and the low was 34,149. And from there it went up. So now it closed above 34,743. So we are a little bit okay with Bank Nifty. Target here, and all that I mentioned in my PPT already. So we'll go to the PPT straight away and check all that. Okay, so this is 11th May, right? Yeah. So now see this 16,071. That was a bang on low. Came there, touched, went up. Okay, and this was the number 34,145. 34,145. So all these numbers, see, all these numbers will act as a major support. Market will take a U-turn, and today market once broke this number, came exactly touch this number and turned. Okay, and I'm writing this number not now. I'm writing this number for more than a week. Now, if you go here on the first page, this number is here. Savior for Nifty is 16,071, and this was the low again. All this number is already with you. Okay, chalo. Let's go to tomorrow. Okay, Pranam to market for respecting my 6.2%, and I predicted this number on May 1st before the May expiry started. Okay, you can go and check that video, which is already available in YouTube, and in PPT is already mentioned from the beginning of March month, May month. If you go here, yeah, so this was the 29th April where the expiry started, and this was the outlook for May. According to me, Nifty will fall 6.2% in May. We will use our levels to go short, and our level came at 17,245. Right, so 16. The good thing is, it took exactly support from there, and it closed roughly around 16,200. I'm very happy, and that is what it also shows. And it says, June month will be good, but we will use our levels. And I need to do a little bit of homework on June. As of now, 6.2% May month, it is done. And my system has given a sell today. If it holds today's low, again and again, I'm telling, if it holds today's low, possibility of U-turn. If it closes below today's low, things will go ugly. So watch out. So now let's go to tomorrow. So inside our pattern, collapsed everything, and watch out for Bank Nifty. Why I'm very particular and why we took position today in Bank Nifty is because Nifty is having the Ichimoku date for Nifty is only 11th, but when it comes to Bank Nifty, 11th and 12th are the combination dates, and Bank Nifty has given a buy in our system today. So that's why we took position in Bank Nifty. I don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. If it breaks, we don't care. We will cut the loss. Okay, so we have not taken huge portion. We have taken very small portion, and we took only 34,800 call around the closing at 160. Even if we lose, if it goes to zero, we lose 160 points in Bank Nifty, and we made hell a lot of money in the last 10 days in May. Okay, so now Ichimoku timing worked well, and Thursday the timing is 10 to 10:05. 10 to 10:05. Watch it. And you all know how the weekly expiry works, and I've already taught you how to do it. First, for 30 minutes high and low, we'll do the magic. Till 30 minutes, don't need to do anything. Simply sleep. Once 30 minutes high breaks, buy with the stop loss of 30 minutes low, or once 30 minutes low breaks, sell with the stop loss of 30 minutes high. Finished. This is expiry game. No need to go and watch all the option chain and other stuff. Okay, so HDFC looking good. We hold only long in HDFC, not in any other share. Not in any other share. Even our, the ACE triggered the stop loss 2 days back, and then IEX to the stop loss was triggered. We entered at 200, 194 stop loss triggered. So we don't hold any position except HDFC, and we will hold that position till it holds 2164. Otherwise, we will close that position in HDFC also. Okay, so this I've already told. 11th and 12th is very important for Bank Nifty. So watch out on all these dates are clearly here. So the next date is coming on May 18th, which is very crucial. So we'll watch that later. So now this is the numbers for tomorrow. These are numbers for tomorrow. When it comes to Bank Nifty, these two numbers are in positive because Bank Nifty future closed above these two numbers, but Nifty, no, this will act as a resistance tomorrow. Once it breaks this, then I have given all the targets here. Okay, and spot number is clearly here for Bank Nifty and Nifty. And again, this one is blue. This one is blue. The other number which I am giving, it is from something else. Okay, so now till this one, the target is done on a weekly basis in Bank Nifty. And Nifty, yeah, 16,071. I've already made the underline also. So till this it has given a it is achieved the target. Okay, so now for tomorrow, okay, today watch out for this. I am keen on Euro Honda. I'm keen on Euro Honda because this IN low, watch out this IN low and this IN low is more or less same. So watch out for Euro Honda. Use these numbers, and you know how to use this number on a positional basis. Use it and use your own system to capture the trend and make money out of it. So tomorrow, M&M Finance and Tata Steel. So watch out for M&M Finance and Tata Steel. Again, 15 minutes high and low will do the magic on trend change trade. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor. Kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors. Maybe we will go and check once how our our Dow is doing, because I don't use Dow or CAT or DAG or S&P to trade Nifty, but I just want to show you, which I covered yesterday, that it is at the support and it is taking a reversal. Let's see, this was the number which I talked about, and my numbers are here. So watch out, and let's go to S&P. It's still in sell in weekly, so we need to watch full time, and it is taking support at the trend line. So now Nasdaq, this was the number. Let's see, I've already covered this in very detail. So these are the two numbers. It has to hold this number on a weekly closing basis, which is 12,318. This is on a monthly basis, because this is monthly. This is monthly, and this is what I'm going to share today, this week, on how to find the dates. Anyway, this will happen on Sunday webinar. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Again, saying I'm not a SEBI registered investment advisor, so kindly do your homework or consult your financial advisors before taking any financial decisions. Be careful. Don't need to aggressively buy this market. It will give you one more big opportunity, and that time the sale will be, if you buy one, you may get even 100. Okay, thanks a lot for watching this video. See you soon tomorrow at 9:07. Bye.